Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Epic Games library to a new SSD. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your new SSD is properly installed on your computer. Boot up your computer and open the Epic Games launcher. Log into your account if prompted. Navigate to your current Epic Games library location. Make a note of the folder path where your games are stored. Exit the Epic Games launcher completely. Open File Explorer on your computer. Locate the folder where your Epic Games library is currently installed. Select all the game folders you want to transfer. Right-click and choose Cut from the context menu. Go to your new SSD's drive. Right-click in the SSD and select Paste to transfer the game files. Wait for the files to finish transferring. Once completed, return to the Epic Games launcher. Click on the Library tab. For each game you've transferred, click on the Install button. Select the new SSD location when prompted. The Epic Games launcher will verify the files. This process may take a few moments. Once verified, your games will be ready to play from the new SSD. Congratulations, your Epic Games library is successfully transferred. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.